Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got this A45 AMG in for a Stage 1 ECU remap and enhanced exhaust crackles. Before we get into it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also notification bell, then you won't miss when any of our new videos go live. So installing the Stage 1 ECU remap, optimising the fuel ignition boost and all the other maps inside the ECU to improve the horsepower and torque, and then enhancing the factory exhaust crackles as well. So the next thing we're going to do is get the car on the dyno, see what power it makes standard, install the ECU tune the car, and then benchmark the car afterwards, and we'll talk you through all the figures at the end of the video. So hope you enjoy the video and see you a little bit later on. Okay, so we're back on the dyno after finishing the Stage 1 ECU software on the A45 AMG. So just a reminder of what Stage 1 software does. It optimises the fueling, the ignition, the boost, and all the other maps inside the ECU to increase the horsepower and torque. And on this car as well, we've enhanced the exhaust overrun crackles as well. You'll be able to see that a little bit later on in the video. But for now, we're just going to compare the power and torque figures before and after. So we've got the graphs behind me. So the blue lines, you've got the torque, and then the red lines, you've got the horsepower, with the dotted lines being as the car arrived this morning, and then the solid lines being as the car leaves us today. So standard figures, this car benchmarks in at 376 horsepower and 346 foot-pounds of torque. And it's now leaving us with new peak figures of 401 horsepower and 415 foot-pounds of torque. So some decent gains, as you can see behind me, all the way across the rev range. Maximum gains within the rev range, you're looking at about 63 horsepower at 4,750 RPM, and then as much as 70 foot-pounds of torque at 4,650. So a massive difference. And then this car is actually now making standard horsepower all the way down at 4,750 RPM. So another 1,250 RPM sooner than standard. And now the car will actually sort of like feel like a turbo car to drive, because it's got a much stronger mid-range torque. Whereas with the standard car, it's sort of designed to drive like more of a naturally aspirated car. So this is going to be much more fun to drive for the customer. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if you've got any questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously, if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.